Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Google Pixel 3 case. As you have seen in my last video, the Spigen Google Pixel 3 case. I like this case, but I love the Google's original case. This has a good cloth material to it. The feel is like cloth and I like it. So let's open this up. So in the transit it got a bit damaged here. I don't know why. Let's open the seal up. Okay, here we go. It's really tight. I don't know why. Yes, it's done. Now pull this out. So as you can see here, it has a good fabric feel to it, and I got the indigo blue color, and I bought it directly from Amazon.com. It was shipped to my home in India. So let's pull this thing out. It's really stuck in here. I don't know why. Okay, it's like there is a phone in here. They made this in that way. So inside it is the feeling of like the Apple cases, and there is velvet feel to it. It's soft material, it won't hamper the screen. Also you can use this while you charging your phone wirelessly. It will not hamper that. So let me open this up and install this. First of all, I will clean for any dust particles or fingerprints here, because as of you might be knowing that Pixel 3 is a glass phone and you don't want any kind of dust residue staying inside the case, which will hamper your or make a scratch on the phone. So it's really easy to install. First of all, you will align it on the top hand side. Just push it like this and you go ahead and push like this. So it is really nice. I feel it good in the hand. I love the feeling, and I know you will be losing the not pink color on the back if you have the not pink one, but it doesn't matter, because you get a good feeling to it. There is a tactile feel to the volume button and also the power button, as we get in the Apple's original silicone case. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This is the Google Pixel 3 fabric case, directly bought from Amazon.com. So if you have any questions about this product, you can ask me on the comment section below, and if you want this product, I will share you the link. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, and there are a lot of videos coming up nowadays. I have a lot of products it's going on, so it might be in a regular basis. So do subscribe, my friends. Bye bye.